So my OCD got the best of me today, and went ahead and had to do this. All good, except for that doesn't have a front license plate bracket. Oh my god. But nice and tight. Thanks to Zion and Evan, part of my team, who helped me out with this. Yeah, we got a hole to fill. Alright, 2026 Mazda CX-5. This is actually a delivery from Saturday, in which I had my first bout with the electronics and that screen there. Two. That's it. $69.01. Looking for another CX-50. Some Aston Martins. Today we are headed to Downers Grove. Thanks CJ at Downers Grove Castle Mazda for helping us out on this one. Going to get a CX-50 hybrid for a customer. So let's get dialed in. Something to note on the CX-5s, the new ones, 2026, you have to go to a certain spot in the display to actually see your odometer. And I was just mentioning the odometer because at a certain point, about 26 miles, you'll get the off-gassing or the things getting hot for the first time, and it goes away. It's just something that happens, and I always like to turn the air to recirculating during that so it doesn't come into the cabin. It's a burning smell, so it's kind of sometimes a little scary to people, but it's normal. And I just want to check and see if the odometer, what this odometer is. And in the display for the Mazda CX-5, you got your home, and you can pick the car. You can turn off iStop. I don't mind it. It doesn't happen as often as you think it would. And then let's check our miles in the efficiency monitor. There is talk about updating the system to where it will display your miles here instead of here, but it's the efficiency monitor. Where are you at? There we go. Okay, so there's 11 miles on the odometer, and at about 26 to 34 miles it'll let off that off gassing or whatever. All right, Algonquin, Illinois. This is the town I rented my first house in. Actually had a boxing match in the basement of that place. It's in the earliest videos that I have on this channel if you want to check them out. Yeah, I boxed. It was awesome. That place right there actually used to be a White Hen. Also have video of being arrested there. And then the laundromat next to it, I actually played my guitar on top of the dryers back in the day. Actually, it looks like it's a liquor store now. Alright, just entered Schaumburg, and we are probably about a half hour away still. But I reset the trip, and we are getting 30.4 miles per gallon on average, so that's a great efficiency out of the CX-5. And the ride is, I love the ride. I always feel really good in a CX-5. And it's an absolutely safe vehicle to be in. Alright, made it to destination. I'll show you some of the interior at Downers Grove Mazda. It's like a nice Mazda 3 for sale. But parking is at such a premium here. And they got that whole back lot full of Mazdas. We'll check it out. Okay, so here I was saying I'll show you the sea of Mazdas. Look at all these Mazda 3s, CX-30s. So we are in a heavier populated area, but golly, that's a lot of Mazdas. I love seeing it. That's great. We got some Cypress greens. And I am looking for a machine gray. There it is. Sweet. CX-50 hybrid. You got the wheels on the Premium Plus. Customer wanted machine gray instead of polymetal gray. Alright. Take a look at your add-ons. That's nice. Alright, now usually when I come here and it's a fresh car, I like to check for the miles and see if there's any gas before I take off. This being a hybrid, this is kind of a good situation because we could use electric power if we're on E. I'm okay on fuel, that's great. And I'm back to having my volume button down here on the older Mazda infotainment. I love that. So we'll get paired up and pull off and head back to Crystal Lake. So I've already had seat time in a CX-50 hybrid. You saw that last time we went to pick up a MX-5 from Rockford, Illinois. Comfortable seat. It is a little bit more stiff than what I was just in, but I like the sculpture of it. I have a similar seat in my Mazda 3, but it's a little bit more soft. And I've got the Bose sound system in here, which is a great sound system for automobiles. I haven't done this in a while, so let's see what the crime's like in Downers Grove. Okay, Google, what's the crime like in Downers Grove, Illinois?
On the website neighborhoodscout.com, they say Downers Grove has an overall crime rate of 10 per 1,000 residents, making the crime rate here near the average for all cities and towns of all sizes in America.
We should be fine. Alright, in Carpentersville, passing Santa's Village. Used to go there as a kid. Still open. And I did reset the trip to get a average of fuel economy. I mean, that's really good. I did just reset it probably about, I don't know, maybe 5 miles ago, 10 miles ago, but still really good. So we did make it back safely, which is always a plus, and with an average of over 40 miles per gallon, which is great. So we're gonna clean this up for delivery, and next time I see you will probably be at the pre-delivery inspection for this before delivery. I gotta get the gloves on and make sure it's nice and neat before the customer leaves. So it's time to go home. Now I'm gonna get in my $200 Mazda and drive home. Pretty proud about this car. Yeah, baby. 205,000 miles. 205,000 miles. Cost more to register this to drive on the streets of Illinois than it did to purchase it. Alright, I'll see you in the next video.